What's up, guys? So here we are trying to list for sale two of the stocks that I purchased. This one and this one. So I have listed 20 of this one. You can see that I have 30 at the moment. If I view the details of the order, you'll see that I made two different orders. One for 20 at this price. One order for 10 stocks at this price. So I actually overpaid on this one. You'll notice that this is the price I got this one for. This is how much I paid. The current listed price for this stock is this right here. So I listed 20, which are the ones that I bought for $4.10. So those are the ones that I listed. Now, the purpose of this video was actually intended to focus on this stock, Palos City. So Palos City, I actually already have the graph open here, and I just wanted to point out how the trend of it is going. At the moment, I have the 1 minute view, and I just wanted to show the candles of how they're on a flat, continuous performance at the moment. So you can see the candles, and then they just kind of stay stationary. I listed this stock for this price, but you can see that on consecutive candles, it's been just flat, meaning that the price is not either going up or down. So that causes, people who are purchasing the stock not to buy it at that specific time. So I want to zoom in, and I want to look at the VWAP. So you notice that the yellow line here is the VWAP. Whenever the candle leaves the VWAP, so let me zoom in a little bit more. You see the yellow candle? I'm sorry, the yellow line. Whenever these two separate, that's how you know you should never be selling. I'm sorry, you should never be selling right here. The reason why I am selling is because it's not really moving much. So this is actually how much I bought it at. This is how much I'm trying to sell it at. So it actually has been on a down trajectory. So for example, I want to look at the day view, and you'll see that it's been on a down curve. See that? So it was here and then it went down. But you can see that if I zoom out, at the moment it's on a down trade, on a down curve, as you can see. So I do expect it to go up eventually. But I just wanted to point out how when it just gets stuck, it just becomes stationary at that point. But you need to make sure that you view it under the 1 minute view, so you can see this trend happening live as it's happening. So whenever you list the stock here, so for example, you'll see that the way that I listed this particular stock, let me modify it. You'll see that I listed it as market. It's just one. So I pretty much asked for the marking price, but the fact that the stock is not really moving, that tells me that I should have listed this stock as limit and perhaps list it a little bit lower. So you'll see what people are willing to pay at the moment, 158.76. That's actually what I'm asking for. But it goes to show how, due to the candle performance at the moment, no one is really buying it. You see that? So you can see my my listed price right here. But yeah, you can see the VWAP is not touching the candle. It's just separating from itself. What that means is that the price is going to go lower and lower. It's going to continue decreasing. That's why people are not really actively purchasing this stock. It's on a down trajectory at the moment, and the VWAP helps us see that as it's happening live, due to the fact that it's separating from the candle and the line.